In today's video, I will walk you through how to create custom screeners that leverage filters in Yahoo Finance. To begin, sign in to Yahoo Finance. If you are not already signed in, locate the sign in option at the top right corner and complete the sign in process. Once you are signed in, your selections will carry through your session. Next, click on the Research tab. This section contains several tools available for market analysis and research. From there, select Screeners. This will open the section where different screening options are grouped together. Here, you can work with custom filters and create your own search settings. Click on Create to start a new screener. This gives you control over the filters you want to apply instead of using preset templates. Now, select your screener type, choose the category that matches what you want to analyze. You can select stocks or ETFs depending on your preference. After choosing the screener type, begin filtering your criteria. You can narrow down the results by sector or industry, market capitalization, and price range. You can also add filters such as price to earnings ratio or price to book ratio. If needed, add performance or volatility filters. Use ranges for the values and continue adjusting the criteria while watching the result count update. If there are too many results, tighten one or two filters. If there are too few results, remove or relax some of the criteria. Once you're satisfied with the filters, click Apply. Yahoo Finance will generate a list that matches the conditions you selected. Review the results and make additional changes if necessary. You can continue adjusting filters and applying them again until you have a list that matches what you're looking for. When you are happy with the results, review the list that has been generated. Continue refining the search if needed so that you end up with a manageable number of securities. Repeat the process whenever you want to change the filters or create a different screening setup. You can customize the criteria according to your needs and review the updated results each time you apply new settings. By following these steps, you can work with the Yahoo Finance screener, customize your filters, and review the results that match your selected conditions. Continue refining the criteria until you have the information you need. That's how you can use Yahoo Finance and work with custom screening results on desktop. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.